Good morning. Welcome to Radhivesh Finance, and we are presenting the new IPO is no name of Anand Rathi Wealth Limited IPO 2021. If you are aware about Anand Rathi, basically what they are into, and nowadays there is a lot of IPOs are coming from the well branded companies. And yes, absolutely, we can say over here that many companies looking for an investment, so they are putting their IPOs into the market. And yes, 2021 is a IPO of the year. As far as everybody can see, there are number of IPOs has been launched during 2021 as comparing as with the whole decades. So here are the few milestones which is kept by Anand Rathi. And yes, absolutely, investors, if you see, this Anand Rathi has really did a great job since they are into the market. Okay, since they are into the market, Anand Rathi Wealth Limited, this company is launching their AMFI registered mutual fund distributor. So in this case, we are going to talk about what Anand Rathi and what are their milestone in particular segment, because this is a big company, and that's the reason we are going to talk about their milestone, how they came up, what exactly they did in particular years. So we are going to start from the 2002. They are having shortcut of Anand Rathi's only. ARFSL receive a certificate of registration from Association of Mutual Fund in India with respect to its mutual fund distribution business. 2008, this company has entered into the contractual arrangement of ARFSL to use the premises to commence overseas operation in Dubai and expanded wealth operation in India by setting up office in Delhi. 2015, AUM of wealth management business ARFSL crossed rupees 50,000 million. 2017, our subsidiaries of AR Wealth Management Private Limited acquired Freedom of Wealth Solution Private Limited, involved in the investment advisory business, and F Freedom Intermediaries Infrastructure Private Limited. 2017, our company acquired the mutual fund distribution business of ARAL, and ARAL had acquired from ARFSL. 2017, our acquired with the private wealth management from Religare Wealth Management Limited. 2018, our company expanded wealth operation in Eastern India by setting up office in Kolkata. 2018, AUM of our company crossed rupees 150,000 million. 2019, AUM our company crossed rupees 200,000 million, and 2021, AUM of our company crossed rupees 250 million. Here are details of subsidiaries: AR Digital Wealth Private Limited, Freedom Wealth Solution Limited, and 3F Freedom Intermediary Infrastructure Private Limited. So we are going to talk about this company, Anand Rathi. And yes, absolutely, this company is exactly what they are into, the mutual fund and all wealth management. Okay, so in case of wealth management, we are going to say something about this company, and in that case, you just wait and watch what exactly we are going to reveal the information. So for few of the companies, AR GFL, ARSSBL, ARAEL, ARI, TPL, ARIBL. Okay, this they have a given as a group of company. So ARGFL is originally private limited company under the Rathi Global Finance Private Limited. Company has registered under the 1956 Act on 3rd February 1982. Rathi Global Finance Private Limited changed their name to Rathi Global Finance Limited from private limited to limited in the year of 2006 on 13th November. So this is the company into non-banking financial company, non-depository systematic important under the direction of Issue Reserve, the Bank in India, Reserve Bank of India, in the business of non-banking finance services. Okay, then ARSSBL, this company has registered in the year of 1991 on November 22nd, and the company name is Navratna Capital and Securities Private Limited. They have changed their name Navratna Capital and Securities they have changed their name Anand Rathi and Shares and Stock Broker Limited on 21st March 2007, and they have received their certificate on 29 January 2008. Okay, and it is currently engaged with the business of share and stock broking, commodities broking, currency broking, and depository participants CDSL and NSDL. So now we are going to talk about their another company which has registered in the year of 1987 on 26th May, that is Samarth Yarn Trading Company basically. And then they have find the new certificate, they have registered with the new certificate as the name of ARAL. Okay, so this company hasn't mentioned, they had just kept it ARAL. On September 9, 2015 they have changed their name. Apart from that, ARITPL, this company has registered in the year of 2010 on 27th September. Okay, and yes, they are still the same, they have not mentioned the new certificate or anything yet. So ARIBL, its the name is Puja Capital and Securities Private Limited, registered in the year of 1992 on March 20th. So Puja Capital Security Private Limited changed their name AR Insurance Broker Private Limited. The fresh certificate they have received they have received this certificate on 13th February 2003, and from Private Limited of AR Insurance Private Limited to AR Insurance Broker Limited, they have changed the year 2007 on March 20. So March, and they received the first certificate on November 1st 2007. Anand Rathi Insurance Broker Limited has the name. Okay, apart from that, these are their group of company, and yes, we are going to talk about it. Anand Rathi total number of employees is 742 only. So here we are going to talk about the company, how this company has started, and yes, what they have changed their names, etc, etc. So our company has incorporated in at Mumbai on March 22nd, 1995 as a Hitkari Finvest Private Limited is the initial name which Anand Rathi has registered. Okay, so AR Venture Funds Management Private Limited to reflect object of our company on 6th April 2005 they have this kind of certificate or change their name. AR Venture Funds Management Limited conversion of public limited company pursuant section 31 and 21 read with okay in the year of 2007 8 March. AR Venture Fund Management Private Limited conversion of private limited company 7th July 2015. AR Venture Fund Management Limited conversion of public limited 3rd April 2017 where Anand Rathi Wealth Services Limited 6 July 2017 and yes Anand Rathi Wealth Limited, this is just a wealth, previous was a wealth service. Okay, 7 January 2021. So they have the property given detail, we are not going to talk about that. Yes, absolutely. If you see, this company is having total workforce 742 only, and yes we are going to talk about this company has registered as we are telling you, and then they have changed their name AR Ventures Private Fund Management. Okay, in the year of 2005 on the 6th April, which is converted from AR Venture Funds to the public limited, from private limited to the public limited on 8th March 2007. So whatever we have read, that is only they got a fresh certificate on January 7th. Okay, and in that case their office is based in registered office is Express Zone A Wing 10th floor Western Highway Goregaon East Mumbai 400063 Maharashtra India, where their corporate office 11th floor Times Tower Kamla City Senapati Bapat Marg Lower Parel Mumbai number 400013. For further information please log on rathi.com/wealth. Why /wealth? Because they are having a group of companies. Okay, so we are not going to talk about that. Anyways, other what are their groups, probably they will launch the new IPO for the another segment. So nowadays it is like the people was launching the every segment have a new, if they are putting their company into the new segment then they will put it into the different thing. Okay, means they will launch the new IPO, they will look for something called as a investment. Okay, they require the investment, then they will launch it. So this is what about the corporate information of AR Digital Wealth Private Limited. Is this company registered on 14th February 1996 and Warecare Investment Private Limited is the name. Okay, and this has been turned on 13 June as a KB Production Private Limited. Thereafter KB Production Private Limited got new certificate on 2014 on 29 December as a AR Wealth Management Private Limited. AR Wealth Private Limited got a fresh certificate as a AR Digital Wealth Private Limited in the year of 2021. Yeah, on 7 January. So this is based in Lower Parel, where ARDWPL acting as advisor, consultant, counselor, management consultant in all kinds of wealth management services, undertake activities as a portfolio management and the services individual non-resident firms, bodies, corporate including overseas corporate body, institution, banks, financial institution, foreign institution, investor, trust, mutual funds, undertaking of any central, state, local and municipal authority, whether in India or elsewhere, to provide financial advisory services and carrying on the basis of portfolio management subject to Securities Exchange Board of India Portfolio Manager Rule 1992 and SEBI Portfolio Manager Regulation 1993, such as approval from as may required from other authorities subject to compliances of any other law in this regard, but as contemplated by the Reserve Bank of India Act 9, Banking Regulation Act 1949 and to act as a portfolio manager, portfolio advisory, to engage in the business of managing portfolio of securities, to manage investment pools, stock, securities and finance, to mobilize and manage fund of any person or company by investment in various avenue like stock, share, debenture, bond, mutual funds, unit, bank deposits like a growth fund, income fund, risk fund and tax exempted fund, pension funds, superannuation fund, derivatives, commodity, etc. To pass this benefit portfolio investment to investors as a dividend, bonus, interest, to provide a complete range of portfolio management services, persons and financial services. So credit structure, we are not going to read about credit structure and shareholding companies of ARD, WPL. Dear investors, viewers, if you know about the nowadays everybody wanted to move to the digital world, so that's the reason this company AR Digital Wealth Private Limited comes into the picture, because anything can remotely you can control it. Freedom and Intermediary Infrastructure Private Limited, that is FI Infra. Okay, so step down this company FI Infra infusion of growth business, and further our company from time to time infuse capital into the said subsidiaries. In order to simplify the structure, FI Infra was made direct subsidiaries of our company and compliances with the applicable law. Freedom Wealth Solution Private Limited, FWSPL, is a short form of Freedom Wealth Solution Private Limited. This company started 13th February 2009 and this is based in Goregaon office. So FWSPL is engaged business provide consultancy in the field of wealth management service, wealth planning, financial planning, retirement planning, investment planning, property management and will write property valuation, sales and marketing, finance, account and human resources, legal, secretarial, business management, manufacturing, construction, project management functions. SEBI wide circular dated 23rd September 2020 issued guideline investment advisory requires to ensure segregation of advisory and distribution activity at client level. In a view, a caption circular, the company decided discontinue advisory activity effective from 1st October 2020. Hence, no business activity being carried out by this company aforesaid date as on date of read hearing. Okay, anyways. Freedom Intermediary Infrastructure Private Limited. Anyways, whatever that discontinued business, we are not going to read over here. So we will only talk about the now IPO. Anand Rathi Wealth Limited IPO detail. The symbol will be ARWL. Issue period will be opening on 2nd December 2021. Closing will be 6 December 2021. Post issue modification 7 December 2021 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. cutoff time UPI mandate confirmation 7 December 2021 up to 12 p.m. Issue size initial public offer will be 12,000,000 equity shares. Issue type is 100% book build issue. Price range band between rupees 530 to rupees 550. Okay, discount will be 25 rupees per equity share to employee reservation category. Face value 5 rupees. Ticket size is 1 rupees, and the bid lot will be 27 equity share and multiple thereof. Minimum order quantity 27 share and maximum maximum subscription amount for retail investor up to 2 lakh rupees. Maximum subscription amount eligible employee rupees 5 lakh. IPO market timing 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book running lead manager Equirus Capital Limited, BNP Paribas, IIFL Securities, Anand Rathi Advisory Limited. So, sponsored bank is HDFC Bank Limited. Subscription prediction by Prithvish Finance for Anand Rathi Wealth Limited IPO 2021. We are really not shocking about this IPO, but anyways, we are just putting an assumption. Our stat says expected subscription between at least 35% to maximum 75%, and if it goes up to 95 to maximum, because anyways we will see the result, but it can't goes down the line more. Okay, so we will come back with the GMP too. Thank you by Prithvish Finance. We will come back to you very soonly with the GMP detail.